Hello Turbo family, Assalamu alaikum. This is Salim Samit, one of the owners of Turbo Traders, and today I'm gonna show you the new car that just came in from the auction that just got dropped off today. I still didn't have the chance to look around it. We're gonna look at this together. We're gonna do a short walk around video and we're gonna look at this together. What's wrong with it, like what work does it need, everything. We're gonna go through it. So as we can see from the exterior, it doesn't have any cosmetic damages or anything like that. It got two clean headlights, no scratches, no dents. It's a 2015 Nissan Pathfinder. It's a platinum edition, so it's the fully loaded trim. It comes in all-wheel drive vehicle. It's an all-wheel drive vehicle, so all the wheels work together. Let's see, we got pretty decent tires and we got 20-inch wheels. Decent tire at the back too, pretty good. Let's just do an exterior walk around first, then we'll go check out the interior. So as you can see, it's a platinum. It's a Nissan Pathfinder Platinum. So this is basically the vehicle. Let's go look under the hood. Let's look at this. First look at it, it's a beautiful leather interior. It got the sunroof, it got the moonroof. Beautiful, pretty clean. We'll go start it out later, but let's check out under the hood first. Let's stay with me a bit. As y'all can see, this is a 3.5 V6 which comes in the Nissan Altima 2. So these are known for breaking down. These cars are known for breaking down for the CVT transmission. So I hope that's not the issue in this case. But we got clean oil. We got no leaks that I can see off. It needs a battery soon. It has probably a power steering leak that I can fix it right away. Let's go under there and let me know if you guys see anything. Please comment down below if you guys see any leaks or anything. But as y'all can see, we can probably go start this car out now and let's see if it starts or no. So this is the first. I still didn't have the chance to look at it because the truck just dropped this car off to my shop today, like right now. So we are gonna do a first walk around. So what's it look like? Let me see if I can find the keys. Give me 1 second. I do have the keys, as y'all can see. 2015 Nissan Pathfinder. We're gonna put this on. Let's hope there's no check engine light or anything. Starts right up. Purrs like a kitten. No check engine light. It got 153k miles. No check engine light, no ABS light, no brakes. Wheels is loose, so there's no steering and rack pinion problem. The sunroof works. Important window works. Absolutely perfect. Less important window works. Back window works. The horn works. Headlights, okay, that works too. We got radio. Do we have radio? Yes, we do. AC, ice cold AC. That's beautiful. Ice cold AC. We got heated seats, cooling seats. Let's see if it goes into gear or no. I don't have much space, but there you go. It got reverse. It got drive. So the car drives, but probably need some work. Let's check out the back. See, it got the tow mode, the exterior mode. It has heated seats, cooling seats, auto power locks, everything that you can imagine of. So this is a leather interior. As you can see, there's no rips or no stains on it. It got the rear entertainment system too, and it got all kinds of AC controls. You can control the AC for here, for the back, for the rear, and this is the plugs for the rear entertainment system. And I think we got third row seats too. Oh yes, we do. We got third row seats up here too. So it's a 7-seater vehicle, so that's pretty nice. That's very nice. That's not bad at all. I got the sunroof out there too. Pretty clean car for its year. Pretty clean car for its year. Let's see if the trunk opens. Okay, it's automatic too. That's a very big plus point right there. As you can see, this is automatic and it's a 7-seater vehicle. So this is a very nice vehicle. Do we have any spare tires? No, we don't. But we got a Bose stereo system out here. So that's very nice. Overall, the car looks pretty clean for its year. We got no mechanical issues that I can see of right now, but we're gonna go check it out with my friends. We're gonna go check this car out at my friend's shop and see if there's anything wrong with it or not. I want my customers to be happy with the car they get from me, so we're gonna make sure the car doesn't have any issue or doesn't need any kind of work or anything. Okay, so there you go, guys. This is my 2015 Nissan Pathfinder 3.5 V6. It's a platinum edition. I just picked it up from the auction.